Hey, what's up, Gala coin holder? Gala were fails down 17.08% in last 24 hours, but the price will pumps up in upcoming time. This is 100%, my friends, clear now, because a lot of experts, a lot of my friends, crpto experts, mastered, my friend, predicate this coin, do a technical analysis, and after that, my friends, after a very long research, my friend, we will, my friends, tell this all now. You can see here, my friend, the price is very cheap now, so if everybody invest now in those days, my friend, in Gala coin, definitely it's going very good now. We will also, my friend, is going to predicate this coin, something, say something very special information about this coin. But please, my friend, if you are new my channel, subscribe this channel and press the bell icon for videos notification. All right, my brother, and this time you can see here the market cap is 17.07% loss now, and definitely the reason, my friend, is clear now. Today were fails down. The reason was that to short-term investor they are starting selling, so therefore I will notify you to players don't starting like that, please, 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 otherwise you will completely lost. To be safe from the loss, I hope, my friend, in upcoming days they will give me a very good profit. See you next time. Please like video and also subscribe this channel. Allah Hafiz, take care. Please, Gala holder, I hope they will make you millionaire now. See you next time.